So we want to now look at how did segments evolve over time. So what we are doing is we're using the 97 data, and we construct a segmentation solution for this data. But what we are doing is we initialize the k-means algorithm using the centroids from the 6-segment solution with the 91 data. So the idea is we now don't keep the centroids fixed and assign the respondents to them, but we update them according to the data we have to see if the segment profiles did also evolve over time and if we should adapt the characterization of our segments at that point. So we are running k-means clustering with initialized in the old solution to get the new, and then we can look at the profile plot for this solution to see now how big are each of the segments, how can these be characterized, and we can now compare also the profiles we obtained in 97 with the profiles we obtained in 91. So to do this easier, it might be good to have both profile plots next to each other. So we want to construct this kind of plot. We're using the bar chart function, and we create the profile plot with the 91 solution. We create the profile plot with the 97 solution, and we arrange them to be on the same plot. And we're doing this using the print function because the profile plot is a plot created with the package lattice. And package lattice provides this print facilities functionality which allows us to split the plotting area. We say how do we want to have it split in number of columns and number of rows, and in which position should the plot go where we have now. So 2, 1 indicates we want to have 2 columns and 1 row, and this plot goes in the first column, first row. And more equals true means we want to still add to this plot. And here we're adding the plot in the second column, first row. So in the empty spot which is still there, and we don't want to add more to this plot. So we are closing this plot. So we're doing this, and this allows us now, we see, to put the two next to each other. We can zoom in, and this in a way allows us more easily to compare segment 1 in 91 to segment 1 in 97. There shouldn't be a label switching issue because we use the old segmentation solution for initialization, but what we can do is we can compare the segment sizes. Still see segment 1 did hardly change in segment size, and we can compare the profiles.